Ladies and gentlemen, viewers of all ages, today I stand before you to address a crucial topic that affects each and every one of us: staying healthy during seasonal fever outbreaks. As the seasons change, so does our vulnerability to various illnesses, particularly fevers. But fear not, for I am here to share with you some invaluable tips on how to safeguard your health and well-being during these times. Seasonal fevers are a common occurrence, often caused by viruses that thrive in specific weather conditions. While we cannot entirely eliminate the risk of falling ill, we can certainly take proactive measures to minimize our chances of succumbing to these illnesses. Boost your immunity. The first line of defense against seasonal fevers is a strong immune system. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide your body with the necessary vitamins and minerals to fortify your immune system. Adequate hydration also plays a crucial role in maintaining immunity, so ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity not only keeps your body fit but also strengthens your immune system. Exercise promotes circulation, allowing immune cells to move freely and do their job effectively. Whether it's a brisk walk, a home workout, or a yoga session, find an activity that suits your preferences and make it a consistent part of your routine. Prioritize sleep. Ample and quality sleep is often underestimated in its impact on our health. During sleep, our bodies repair and regenerate, which is essential for a robust immune system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine to improve the quality of your sleep. Practice good hygiene. Basic hygiene practices go a long way in preventing the spread of germs. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after being in public places or touching surfaces. Avoid touching your face, particularly your eyes, nose, and mouth, to prevent the entry of viruses into your body. Wear appropriate clothing. Dressing appropriately for the weather can safeguard you from temperature fluctuations that weaken your immune system. Layering your clothing during colder seasons and using light, breathable fabrics during warmer months can help your body adapt to changing conditions. Stay informed. Stay informed about prevalent viruses, symptoms, and preventive measures recommended by health authorities. Being aware of the situation can help you make informed decisions about your activities and interactions. Stay hydrated and nourished. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients helps support your immune system's ability to fight off infections. Incorporate immune-boosting foods such as citrus fruits, berries, garlic, ginger, and leafy greens into your meals. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking water, herbal teas, and natural fruit juices can help maintain the body's defense mechanisms. Manage stress. Chronic stress weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation to keep stress at bay. Follow medical advice. If you do fall ill with a seasonal fever, it's crucial to seek medical advice promptly. Follow your healthcare provider's recommendations, rest adequately, and take prescribed medications as directed. This not only ensures your recovery but also prevents the spread of illness to others. In conclusion, taking charge of your health during seasonal fever outbreaks is a responsibility that each of us should embrace. By boosting our immunity, practicing good hygiene, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and staying informed, we can significantly reduce our susceptibility to illness. Remember, your health is an invaluable asset, and it's up to you to protect it. Let's make conscious choices to live well, thrive, and enjoy the beauty of every season without compromising our well-being.